Welcome back in session. So the ABS encryption is the topic for this session. So encryption is one of the key point for the security. So it's quite important here. So we have seen the different operation over the volume and snapshot. Now the ABS encryption portion we will see here. So our base volume was the unencrypted, so which we have created. So if you see here, this is our custom volume which was the unencrypted. So if you see the configuration here, it's not encrypted here. So and from this particular volume we have created a snapshot, and this is snapshot, even the snapshot is not encrypted. So the chain will come the same, and if I create the new volume from the snapshot, even the same is the not encrypted. So you have to do here the encrypt at the volume. Okay, so let's create a copy first the snapshot from here. I'm just copying the snapshot here, and this copy will take the options here for the encryption here. So here you can do the encryption. It will take the master keys, the AWS EBS, and using the AWS KMS it will create the encryption. So let's copy this one. So I have copied here, you can see, and this snapshot will take quite time, but you can see it's now encryption is, it should enable here since it's copying here. Let's see. Let's wait for a while. So my snapshot is completed, and see here the status here, the encryption is encrypted here. So now my snapshot is encrypted. So from this encrypted snapshot, I create the volume. So this is automatically will do the encryption here. So it will take the master key and the default encryption parameter. So let's create here. So this volume will be encrypted here. Let's go for this volume. And here you can see that it's encrypted. Now you can attach with your EC2 instance, and this will be completely encrypted. From the snapshot also we can see. So while from the unencrypted snapshot we can create a volume without copying the snapshot, and we can create the encryption also the volume. So here we have to pass the master key, and here AWS EBS we can pass, and the this EBS volume will also created from the snapshot. This will be the encrypted. So let's see this one. So this is also encrypted. So we have created the two volume. One is from the snapshot, and one which we have converted unencrypted snapshot, and one is the encrypted snapshot. And the both we can convert from the encryption to encryption to the non-encryption to the encryption. So this is quite confusing term, but we can do the overall encryption from the ABS volume, and while creating the snapshot we can pass the encryption, and while copying the snapshot we can also do the encryption.